back to my channel. My name is Idanise and this is Idanise Official Beauty. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor, go check out the previous video, which happens to be vlog, makeup videos, some cooking videos. I did some recent videos talking about my career as an early childhood educator. So there's a lot more on this channel to see. So yeah, go check out the videos and please press that red button and subscribe and help this channel grow. Okay, so today's video I'm going to be doing a very short video. It's going to be about my body mist and perfume collection. So I see every YouTuber is doing it, so I said why not jump on the wagon and do it too. Okay, so yeah, it ain't got to be the big influencers to do it too. So our old sister girl right here is going to show y'all what she put on her body to smell good and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, so let's get straight into it. All right, guys, so let's get started with the video. But first of all, let me just let y'all know now, don't expect anything luxury here. Okay, I have nothing against anybody who wear expensive cologne, luxury cologne. You do you. I think that's great. But as of for me, I just shop accordingly. I just get my things anywhere, dollar store, online, whatever I can get. As long as it got me smelling good, I am good to go. Okay, so it's not that much. All right, I don't have a particular brand that I stick to or particular cologne that I stick to. I mean, it is body mist, that I get on a regular basis, but to say that I have a particular cologne or body mist that I use all the time, no. I could just walk into a dollar store or just a regular store, Walmart or something, and I see something that I like and I will take it. If it smells good and it lasts long, I will wear it, just to let you know that. So let's get started. And by the way, 2 of these perfumes I recently got. I smell one of them, but I'm gonna spray it on me right now just to see how they smell. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start off with the body mist. Okay, so I would say 95% of the time I'm wearing body mist. Okay, that's because I don't really go anywhere, and I like to wear my perfumes when I'm going out or on a special occasion. So 95% of the time, if I'm home, I'm going to work, I'm going to run an errand, I am wearing body mist. Okay, so yeah, so the first one that I'm going to share with you is this one right here. Sorry about that, guys. Oh Lord, my eyes are winking. Anyway, sorry about that, guys. The lights, the ring light cut off. But this is the first body mist I am sharing with you guys. It's called Senses, and this is the sparkling grapefruit and orange blossom kind. You guys can't really see it on camera, but yeah, so it's pretty much like a clear color, nothing fancy, and I really love the smell. And this lasts all day long. Honestly, it lasts all day long. If you somebody take a shower, you do the regular smuggler, this should work on you. Okay, and I believe I brought this for maybe $10 off of Avon. I'm not sure, I might get the price wrong, and I'm actually running out of this one, so I brought me another one. So this is how much I love it. I decide to get another one, guys. So yeah, so this is mostly what I wear to work, or if I'm going to do a few errands, I would wear this one. Another body mist that I wear or I'm wearing recently is this one called Gingerbread Latte, and it's from Bath and Body Works. This was actually given to me by a friend. Smells so good. Smells so good. I'm not sure if I'm going to get another one because I'm not sure when I'm going to the mall or the Scarborough Town Center Mall, which is not too far, but I don't know when I'm going there. So I really love this. I also wear this one when I go to work and I'm doing a few errands also, and it smells really good, guys. It kind of gives me like a vanilla smell rather than a gingerbread smell, you know what I mean? Like a vanilla pecan type smell. You know what I mean? That's the type of smell that I get from this one here. Okay, then I have this one, which is Brook Waters. It is the coconut passion one. It is almost done, and honestly, if I go back to the dollar store and I find me another one, I promise you I will get this. Okay, dollar store, do not sleep on the dollar store body mitts. Okay, they are not bad at all. Okay, it's not bad at all. It's very light, very sweet. It almost has like a light vanilla smell. You know what I mean? It's not strong. You know, if you're somebody who have like allergies to certain type of fragrance, I think this would be good because it's not strong at all, but the scent doesn't go away. You know what I mean? So it's very worth it to get it from the dollar store. And I really like it. I'll usually wear this if I'm home or going to bed or whatever, and then sometimes I do wear this when I go to work. Okay, I like to mix them up together and just give me some different smell. So yeah, all right, so yes, this is Victoria's Secret. Okay, no, I'm not a big fan of Victoria's Secret body mitts, and I don't mean that in a bad way. It's just that I really never go to get a Victoria's Secret body mix. So it was given to me by a friend. As you can see, it's almost gone. It's almost gone, and I have to say I really love this. I love the smell. I really love it, and it's called Forbidden Rose. I like how it's light. It's refreshing. It's not strong. You know what I mean? It's not strong. So this is perfect. You know what I mean? You know how with some body mitts or some cologne it's very strong. This one is so light. It's so delicate. It's like a, you know, a refresh scent. You know what I mean? When you take a shower, you have that light scent. This is it here. I also wear this to work. I just spray this on everywhere I go. I really love. And then this one here, I would say is my least favorite. I was not gonna put it as part of the body collection, but I say, hey, it's there, why not show it? I brought this from Shoppers Drug Mart a couple months ago. For you guys who does not know what Shoppers Drug Mart is, kind of like a Canadian Walgreens. So I kind of wanted something where I go to bed, I can still spray on myself, you know what I mean, but something light, something not strong. And I end up buying this one here, which is the coconut and cream. Yeah, so I'll be honest with you guys. It's not a bad smell, you know, it's not a bad smell, but it kind of like give me like, I think it wants to have a peanut smell, like one of those vanilla pecan, you know, peanut coffee vibes scent, but it's coming off a little bit pee a little bit pee, so you know what I mean. But because I brought it, I am not going to waste it, so I do wear this when I go to bed. I feel like when you first spray it, it kind of comes out so strong, like whatever they mix in there is so strong in the beginning, but once the scent starts to die down, you'll begin to feel the lightness of it. So it is like it's supposed to be a coconut and cream, so it come off strong, but as you know, get used to the scent, it will die down. Okay, it won't stay that strong. But I won't lie, when you first spray it, it kind of gives you like a pee-pee. Is this pee-pee? They say, oh, okay, you know, it's not as bad. Now, so let's get to the cologne or perfumes. Okay, I only have 3 perfumes. To be honest with you, I don't wear perfume a lot like I used to, unless I have to go somewhere special. Yeah guys, sorry about that. Unless I have to go somewhere special, like a wedding or an outing or a dinner or something, yeah, I will be working my cologne, or if I'm out of body mitts, you know, which won't happen, I will hop to the dollar store and get a body mitts. Okay, I don't play that. Then I will wear my perfumes and stuff like that. So I have 3. 2 of them I have not worn yet. I did have some perfumes, but you know, I kind of died down on a perfume, like I said, so I just kind of stick to one until that one the one goes away. And I don't have a particular perfume that I stick to, although I should, but we'll see in the coming months how these perfume goes, which one I'll keep and which one I'll let go. For this one here, so forgive me if I pronounce it wrong. This is the Haiku. Yeah, this is the Haiku Reflection. If you shop at Avon, you'll see these as a regular on Avon. Okay, they have different kinds, and I got the Reflection kind. Okay, I really love this scent. It kind of gives me there's a cologne called Angel. Okay, I used to wear Angel back then. Okay, when an ex-boyfriend of mine brought it for me, he used to buy me the cologne Angel, so it's giving me that Angel vibe. Oh, I spray anything? Let me just spray it on here because I didn't spray anything on me yet. So I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the way it smells. It's very light, you know, very like delicate, you know what I mean? It's not as strong, you know. I don't mind strong scent, but there's some cologne that's just like strong, but this one is still, you know, it still maintain its scent and still manage to be light throughout the day. So yeah, so this is it here. Okay, all right, so we're moving on to Amari. Okay, Amari, let me tell you why I bought this. Number one, it has my favorite color, which is purple. Okay, I've always brought Amari the lotion, and I also brought Amari the what do you call it, the bubble bath or bubble gel or whatever. I brought that one time, and I've always loved, you know, their lotion and their bubble baths, but I've never smelled or brought their perfume. So I was excited to buy this one. They have different kind. They have the original kind, which is in the red, you know, the red container and stuff like that, and I believe they had another one on Avon, but I saw this purple one. I said, yeah, I'm going to get it. So let's see how this one smells. Okay. It did come in a box, but I choose to take it out of the box because I didn't want it to be piled up on my counter. So yeah. Oh, in here smell like perfume. Okay, in here it's scented, but okay, let's spray this. It's really good. It doesn't have the same scent as the lotion and the body gel, you know, the original, but it's definitely a good smell, guys. Definitely good smell. I'm not sure what kind of smell it's giving me, but it's very sweet. Yeah, it's very sweet, very subtle, not as strong, but yet the scent's still there. Okay, this is good. All right, so this is the Amari. All right, this one. And then last but not least, guys, is the Sweet Honey. This is the Classic Collection by Avon. Guys, do not sleep on Avon. Do not sleep on Avon. They sell good quality stuff. Okay, good quality stuff. So don't sleep on Avon. All right. So this one is also in the box, and I take it out because, again, I don't want my counter to be full of boxes. You might as well just take it out. All right, so let's go. Oh gosh, it's so sweet. It's so sweet. It's not like sweet. When I say sweet, it's good. Okay, it's good. I love perfumes that is not like strong, but it's strong. Does that make sense? You know what I mean? It's strong when you spray it, and then the scent just flow in the air. I just love that. So yeah, so this is Sweet Honesty by Avon, guys. And yeah, so that is pretty much what I use in terms of body mist and, you know, perfumes. That is what I use for now. Okay, like I said before, like I don't have a particular body mist that I use. I think if I would go with a regular that I use, it would probably be this one right here. Okay, which is from Avon. But other than that, I'm just a regular girl. Just pick up anything that smells good, I can afford, and I wear it. Okay, not that I won't get expensive cologne. Don't fall on that now. Don't fall on that. You never know, I might come up with those luxury colognes, but for now, this is what I rock. All right, so let me know what you think. What is your favorite body mist or cologne? And yeah, comment in the video or underneath the video and let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in another video. So peace out.